First, unbuckle the straps and the foam will expand quickly. You can then begin by placing the 3 sections into the trunk. Remember to tuck the fitted sheet under the folded seats and under the hidden trunk cover to ensure that the sheet won't be loose. When putting it back into the carrying case, stack the pads onto the 2 straps. Please note that the pads with the board inside the cover should be at the top and on the bottom, which will help you pack them more easily. Then buckle up the straps and use your body weight to compress and strap down the mattress.